You're watching DIYNate. If this is your first time here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to my weekly content. Today on DIYNate, we're installing a Rev-A-Shelf, which is a slide-in, slide-out shelf system for trash cans. You can also use it for some other things, but I'm putting in a trash can one. We're about to have our kitchen redone with some repainting of our current wood cabinets. You can kind of see that older cabinet look, kind of that older, I don't know, you call it honey oak or something like that. But we're gonna put in a slide-in, slide-out drawer, and you'll see right where I'm talking about. We're gonna put it in right here. And I've got a little bit of work I need to do in prep. I'm going to take these hinges off, and I've got a shelf back there. You can see that shelf right in there, and you can also see I've got an electrical outlet right there that I need to make sure it won't run into. So that's what I'm going to be doing here, and we're going to put this Rev-A-Shelf with the 2 trash can system, line that up and get going here. We skipped over some of the unboxing and me knocking out the shelf and going ahead and removing the hinges. So you get the idea, though. We're right in the middle of the process here. Okay, our next step, we're just going to take this front handle here, snap this in place, like this, and you got to push it until you get a click. Just on that side, okay. So it makes it easy push in, pull out function. So our Rev-A-Shelf is moving right along. Okay, for this part, I'm making a slight modification to the suggested approach. I'm actually using a compression washer on top of the metal screw because I think that I'd like to have a little extra support on the side. So it's knowing my kids, they're probably going to try at any moment to push down on this thing. It might create a little bit of a problem for us. So I want to make sure I've got this just about right. I'm also going to check my measurements. Probably put a mark in there to give me the exact spot where I want to drill these screws. Can't emphasize this enough. Boy, you could check your work before you put it in. So I wanted to make sure my clearance was good enough there, and we have plenty of room. Looks like it's going very nicely. We have enough headroom by a good stretch there. And so I'm also noticing I'm slightly off center, which is actually okay in my case because I have an electrical box on the back side here. So I'm okay with being a little bit off, a little bit more to the right side than the left. So that's going to work just fine for me. I'm going to check my measurements again, so I'm about an inch and a half. An inch and a half off on that side, and this is 2.5 inches. So I feel pretty good with that. Instead of even marking it, I'm just going to go ahead and get it close to the edge here. Just using a simple driver here, and I'm going to go ahead and pop the screw in here from this angle. Goes in no problem. And like I said, I'm using the compression washer because that's going to give me a little bit extra support on the side. That a standard screw, even with metal supports on the side, I like to have that little extra just because I know my kids are going to be rough on this thing, and my wife and me will all put it through its motion. So by having that extra get a little extra support on the side, a little more coverage area. So now we know that's in there pretty good. I've got to reach into the back and really get into those back slots there. I'll go ahead and do that right here. It's a little tricky. They give some advice about you might have to take certain parts apart to be able to get to those last 2 holes, but I'm pretty confident I can get there without too much trouble. The hardest part is going to be keeping the screw in line while I get my hands back here. But hey, why not go after the challenge? If I had my driver that has a light up feature, it would be awesome, but apparently that's in the basement. I don't know if we use that right now. Go down there and get it. Let's pop this guy in. No problem. No problem. The head out might be bigger. Shoot. There we go. At least you can't put the compression nut. Close. Now we've got the compression washer again going right on there. This is the last one. I'll run it by my wife and see what she thinks. Yeah, seal of approval, hopefully. The doghouse. So what I found when I was installing in the back and trying to put the screws in, the metal bracket was giving me a hard time to work around it. So I ended up taking the bracket off while I was midstream the project, and then putting the final screw in with that compression washer. And then I came back and reattached the metal bracket. So that's what you see me doing here.
There we go. Now our slide door is looking good. Should be able to have installed this one, no problem now. It's just a couple of grooves. It's nice and easy. Just push here. Just nice and easy back in this position. There we go. So everything is in the spot. 15-minute project or so, not too bad at all. We are good to go. Got some room there. And once we put the front kit on here, it'll be nice and easy. We'll just have this drawer come right out and pull it out, push it in. But for now, we'll get used to using it this way. Works pretty awesome. That was a really easy install, and it feels very highly quality made. So it's a very high quality product. So thumbs up. A little hot and sweaty. You've been watching DIYNate. Thanks again for watching. Hope this helps you with your installation, and maybe it helps you with your purchase. If you want to check out where to get a Rev-A-Shelf, I'll be happy to put a link in my description through Amazon. You can buy it there. This size is a particular size that I purchased. Feel free to check that out. It works with a lot of sizes. I think something, if you've got more than 15 inches width, and then 21-ish inches back, and then something like, call it 20 inches tall. So that's about what I'm working with, and so it worked out really well for me. So pretty happy with this purchase and the installation. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.